Ona gutuika thathauria maundu megie gukura utonga wa bururi ni monanitio utonga uyu waya gutiruka kuma hari gicunji gia 5.5 nginya hari gicunji kia 4.8. Ngavana wa Central Bank Patrick Njoroge augite ndurumeni nene murikite mwerekera uria ugakorwo kuo thutha wa maumirira ma ithurano icio.
A second round of presidential election will be that significant if there are no other factors. I would add that the markets have actually reacted very favorably. The 1st of September, yes, there was a shock in the markets. You wrote about it. But today and now, the markets have really, they are stronger than where the numbers are stronger than where they were even before the announcement.
Prof Njoroge no augite kahinda-ini gaka ciringi ya Kenya no ithiite na mbere na kwihanda wega, akiuga na ruhonge rwa thuguri ya shares rwa NSC no ruthiite na mbere na kuhonia ndorio iria ciakorirwo ikiumana na itua ria igoti itugiru. Augite no marecurania gukorwo magika mogaruruku wa thoria wiriga kuhetukio ni bunge wa kunyihanyihia marihi ma njoherera kuri ngombo iria iheanagwo ni mabengi hindi ya giikaro na kamiti ya kugathika mitaratara ya kibeca, no agateterithia bata munene ni gukindira mawatho maria megutigirira mabengi mamwe matina korwo makihatiriria akombi.
We want to have market determined interest rate with all these things in the background, and therefore much stronger sort of engagement with consumers, which will obviously be for the consumers' benefit. And so it will be a credible removal of the rates, sure that we are not going to go back to the excesses, if you may, of a previous era.
Bengi nene ya mathire maria maunitheirio tabarĩra-inĩ cia waki ikoretwo ikionanio ni athathauria gukura utonga wa bururi ari to gwati munene ukuriire bururi wa Kenya maitho kungikinya urugari wa kiuteti ndugukorwo gicoka thi na niguo kuheo njoria mwihoko wa kuigithia guku bururi-ini.